what is happening to us is that when we work even towards the positive side, we are actually working under fear. We are working under compulsion. It's a compulsion in us to be accepted. It's a compulsion in us to be appreciated. It's a compulsion in us to become successful, to become beautiful. We are not working in freedom. We are working as a slave of our fear. हमारे ही fear के हम गुलाम हैं. Result, we fall sick. Result is actually sometimes we end up achieving less. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है ना, you feel I could have done much better. या ये एग्जाम में मेरा बच्चा बहुत अच्छा करता था, लेकिन एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले बीमार पड़ गया. हाँ, I have this presentation tomorrow. मुझे ये खत्म करना है, लेकिन उसके 2 घंटे पहले ही मुझे चेस्ट में अनईजीनेस आ जाती है. So what happens is, your hormones, instead of taking you towards the positive, start taking you towards the negative. Go next. And this is what is happening. You are constantly moving between positive and negative without knowing about it. You don't know about this, but it's happening in each one of us, which is why we called this an awareness event. To become aware कि positive हम सब में है, लेकिन negative भी है, और उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. But if you accept it, we can remedy it. The first step to remedying something is the acceptance that it is there within us. Yeah? Now, is there something? Yeah, can you go next? कुछ ऐसा है which reduces this pendulum effect. ये जो इतना pendulum जा रहा है, आपको समझ रहा है, जब ये इतना तेज चलेगा तो कितना एनर्जी वेस्ट होगी? बहुत एनर्जी वेस्ट होगी. And if that much energy is wasted, you are naturally going to fall sick. What we need to do is reduce this pendulum effect and bring it somewhere close to balance. Yeah? Can you go next? Naturally, you can, and you can do it with homeopathy. What we do, the way our medicine is different than conventional medicine, than Ayurveda, than everything else, is that we work on the mind. We work on trying to bring a balance in the mind, so that that whole pendulum effect and the energy that goes in that effect is reduced, and naturally you become healthy. Just go next. What we aim to do with homeopathy is that we reduce your compulsion. ये जो compulsion है हम सब में, freedom का, independence का, acceptance का, appreciation, success, achievement, लेकिन we are working with compulsion. What we do with homeopathy is we reduce this compulsion so that you work out of choice. You know, our logo that we have made, Sachindra and I, हमने बहुत सोच समझ के ये लोगो बनाया है. Health, happiness, freedom. ये freedom मुझे patients हमेशा पूछते हैं, डॉक्टर what has freedom got to do with homeopathy? Freedom of choice. You work not out of compulsion, but you will work out of choice, out of freedom. And therefore, can we go back to the old slide? You will actually end up achieving much more. कोई patients हमको आके ये भी बोलते हैं, डॉक्टर आप इतने सवाल पूछते हो, हाँ? You ask me, are you aggressive at work? हाँ? Then they tell me, अरे, of course I have to be aggressive at work. और आप ऐसा कुछ मत कर देना कि मेरा aggression बंद कर दो, नहीं तो कल उठ के मेरी नौकरी चली जाएगी. Yeah, my aggression is needed for my work. And we tell the patient, no. We will reduce your aggression, but your efficacy in work will improve. You will end up with a promotion. The moment you say, I need my aggression, you are a slave of that. हाँ, आप गुलाम हो गए उसके. हम आपकी गुलामी से आपको आजाद करेंगे. You will work with freedom. You will definitely achieve better than what you were achieving before. Yeah. Now, and so what happens is this whole stress layer goes away. And what emerges is the real you. The you who wanted to work, who wanted to be happy. Therefore, you become healthy. So you get healthy, you get happy, and you get free. There is one little thing that we would like to say is जब आप हमारे पास आते हो, yeah, we want you to open up. Because unless you open up, we can't help. Yeah? We are like a mirror. We are just like a mirror sitting there asking you the questions. And if you bring out, yeah, then what happens is we reflect it back to you. And we reflect back your own self. We are not judging anybody. हम इधर judgment के लिए नहीं बैठे. No, we had our teacher who used to say to patients, मैं कोई कोर्ट का जज नहीं हूँ. मैं प्रीस्ट नहीं हूँ. हाँ, मैं प्रीस्ट भी नहीं हूँ. मैं ये नहीं बताऊंगा कि तुम सही कर रहे हो गलत. मैं सिर्फ सुनूंगा कि तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम किधर है. फिर मैं सलाह दूंगा. So a lot of times what happens is patients डर जाते हैं. अरे मुझे कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है. I am not stressed. I don't have anything. You have something, that's why you've come to us. So be open about it because it's for your own good. And this is not about judging our positive and negative. It is about getting aware of what is it that is troubling within us. Because we are all positive. We are all working towards a good goal. But अगर वो थोड़ा जो हमारे में negative है, जो हमारे fears हैं, हमारी anxieties हैं, if we can help you to handle that, to tackle it, or if you can help to tackle that yourself, then you will have a much more better, freer, happier, healthier life.